So if you want to make your own hot sauce, here you go. It's way too easy and you'll never have to buy it again. We grow a lot of habaneros here on the property among other hot peppers and just started making our own hot sauce because we had so many peppers, we didn't know what to do with them. And about 15 years ago, I owned a small pour excuse for a company called Pants on Fire Hot Sauce Company. We sold at local farmers markets, a couple restaurants in the area, and had a lot of fun doing it. I just want to show you guys how easy it is. You need 3 ingredients. You need hot peppers, some vinegar, and salt. Those are the 3 base ingredients. And I'm gonna go and pick a few peppers right now. I'm growing some habaneros, and I'm also gonna try to feed them to my dog, but it never works. Here, you want some peppers? Here you go. Nope, he's smarter than that. Those guys are smart. Anyway, got a whole bunch of peppers, and we have our base ingredients, but I like to add garlic, some type of fruit, little tomato, onions. You can get creative and just do it to taste. Again, the main ingredients are salt, vinegar, and peppers. So I'm gonna add an extra apple in the fridge. I'm gonna throw some apple in there and some shredded carrot. One thing I also like to add in there is raw garlic. And a few squeezes of citrus is also nice too. I just picked these today, so I figured I'd squeeze a few. Hot sauce is also a great way to make use of random stuff you've picked in your garden that you don't have a use for. And you can share it with your friends and they'll think you're really cool. We always have a ton of habaneros, so we end up making a lot of hot sauce, and it often goes home with friends as gifts. So after this, we'll go ahead and add the vinegar, get a decent consistency, and we'll add a few teaspoons of salt. And you can see every single time I make this, the recipe is different. Now, when I made Pants on Fire hot sauce, I will tell you a little bit of the secret recipe. It was carrots, garlic, onion, hot peppers, vinegar, and salt. And that was the magic mix that did well for us. But this one's gonna be even better. Let's blend it. And now it's time to taste it and make one of my kids taste it too. So here we go. This stuff's gonna be awesome. Try it out. Give it a shot. That's not a big enough spoon. Get a bigger spoon.
It's too hot.